Welcome back, Skidmore Family Farm friends. Today we are gonna be doing the chores.
Yeah.
A video about the chores.
Yeah,
I'm doing mine first, which I do those chickens.
So,
and then I do our beloved Trixie.
Trixie!
Don't forget to listen names. Maybe.
Okay. So right now, we're just gonna come over here. She feeds these. So we got like, I don't know how many chickens this is. And then we got a turkey. A singular turkey. Because the other ones died in incubation. And some of them got killed during a cold spell. But yeah. It's kind of small. Sooner or later we're going to move them. To our chicken coop all the way over there. But right now we're going over and feeding Trixie. Eli just threw a rock and hit a tree. Let's go. We're going on a trip.
In our favorite rocket ship.
Eating all the fries. Little fat guy. Come on, Trix. So this is what was our chicken tractor. Now it just holds hay for Trixie.
Gotta make sure there's no poop.
Yeah, make sure there's no poop. So right now we have two of these. That one used to be full like that. Yeah, just to give her food. She's hungry. Don't do that, bro.
She wanted it.
Dang, Trixie, you hungry? Nom nom nom. Pretty house. Pretty pond with some moss. Algae. So right here we have this little crossing. And there's so many tadpoles.
I want to pick one up.
No, don't pick up the tadpoles, Elena.
Why?
Because they live in water. That's what they're meant to be for. Eli, leave them alone, please. Leave them alone. Yeah. Yeah, they're being annoying. But we're all back over here. Because now I gotta go feed them chickens over there. Far out. Let's go. Woo! Okay, so I come over here. There's our food. This is our dog food. With my... Yeah. We use this for the chickens. So what we do is we come on. Oh, can he make it? Wait. Oh, he missed. So Elena, leave the tadpoles alone. So right now we're just going over to the chickens. Don't eat the tadpoles. Eli.
Are we not going to video them?
We'll just do these guys. So this is the nice rooster. Nice white rooster. Main one's over there somewhere. Yeah, over there. Yeah, it's a nice day out. It's a little cloudy in the sky, but it's still blue. Like it's blue. Yeah. I tried to think. That's something I don't really do. Eli! You hit the tree and the... Okay, there's our mean white rooster.
What did I hit?
You hit the tree, like one of the tree branches, and then you hit the coop. Should we just go through here? Gotta watch out.
Why do you go through that?
Because it makes it easier. Yeah, I don't have to worry about electric fence. So what we do over here is first come in. We check all the chickens, make sure everyone's here.
And then
1,
you
2,
eat it.
3, 4, 5, 6,
See, look,
7,
you gotta-
8, 9,
You
10.
just take it and then you go.
Eli, leave the chickens
I
alone.
love you.
Leave them alone. Please, Eli. So right now they have a bunch of cut grass that we cut the other day while we were working.
I think they're getting something.
So we clear this up a little because they poop on this.
Will this still follow you even though you have nothing?
Yeah, probably. And then they eat from that. And then after that, they come over here. They make sure it has no eggs. Then we come in here. We collect eggs. So, yeah, 1, 2. No eggs in there. 3, 4. We come over here because they like playing over here. So we have 4. Now we get 5, 6, 7. 7 eggs today. That's a good amount. We have 9 chickens and 1's a rooster. What are you doing with that? Eli. Okay. And right before we leave, we always gotta check if they got water. They got water. Needs to clean out, but hey, we got water. And then we leave. So bye, chickens. I'm leaving you, Eli.
Come back.
No.
Come in here.
No, I'm leaving.
No, actually.
Goodbye. Oh my gosh. I swear, Eli. It's gonna kill you. I tripped.
I'm chicken.
Sure. No.
Will this thing hold me? Should I hang on it?
I don't know. It probably would, but I don't think you should try. Battery's low. Eli. I swear.
Hello, guys.
Come on, bro. Well, that's all, folks. See y'all later.